Hey, we're going to rationalize the denominator. The numerator is 4. The denominator is 7 minus the square root of w. So there's two terms in the bottom, 7 minus square root of w. So the way we talked about rationalizing these, which means get rid of the root in the denominator, was to multiply by what we call a conjugate. So we take the 7 minus the square root of w and we multiply it by 7 plus the square root of w. If I do it on the bottom, I have to do it up top. So what does this do? Well, up top it's just going to carry over, and I'll go ahead and distribute it. It'll look like 28 plus 4 square roots of w up top. Sorry. But on the bottom, we have a FOIL. So it's kind of like an a minus b times an a plus b. That's going to create a difference of squares, but if you aren't confident in it, you can do first, outer, inner, last. First will give you 49 for 7 times 7. Outer will give you 7 square roots of w. Inner will give you minus 7 square roots of w. So those two are going to cancel out. And then last will give you negative square root of w squared, which will just give you negative w. Okay, so in that case, up top, we're going to have 28 plus 4 square roots of w, whether you push that 7 in or not. Excuse me, that 4. And on the bottom, you'll have 49 minus w. Okay, so that's what it will look like in the end. No roots on the bottom, and nothing will cancel out at all. Thank you.